Hello everyone. How are you doing? We are going to learn new vocabulary words. Okay, it is from Unit 5. Okay, let's read the following vocabulary or spelling words. And later on, I'm going to show you its picture and its definition. Okay, let's start reading it. Okay, so we have here the first word, fin, flesh, gills, harmless, hunts, hunter, lungs, ocean, shore, and the word snout. Are you done reading? Okay, let's go to the next part. Okay, let's look at this picture. Okay, this is what fin means. What is a fin? Okay, let's see here. What do you mean by the word fin? Fin is a flat bit that sticks from the body or tail of a fish. Okay, you're done reading? Okay, so we have here in this picture, what is in the picture? This is a fish. And it shows to you this arrow pointing to the part of the fish which is called fin. Okay, this is the fin of a fish. This is one of the parts of a fish. Okay, so let's go to the next word. Okay, here. Here we have the word flesh. Okay, we have the word flesh. What do you mean by flesh? Flesh is a term for some soft tissues of an organism. Okay, so this is called, in this picture, you will find, as you can see here, this is a picture of a flesh. So, which animal, okay, who has this kind of flesh? Okay, this flesh comes from the fish, of course. This is the flesh of the fish once that the fish is open. Once it was opened, you are going to find the flesh of the fish. And also there is the flesh for an animal like the cow. Okay, like a cow, an ox or buffalo. And there is the flesh for chicken, for a hen, right? And also we as human, okay, as human, we have also our own flesh. Okay, all right? Okay, so let's go to the remaining words. Okay, right here, we have two words on which it doesn't have any picture. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so we have here the word harmless. What do you mean by harmless? Harmless means not able or likely to cause any harm. Okay, means it's not dangerous. It's harmless. Okay, you did understand, right? You do understand this. Okay, so we have the next word, hunts. What do you mean by hunts? It means to seek out and kill animal for food. Okay, like what we have in here about our next topic for the ocean sharks. There are kinds of sharks which seek out and kill animal, sea animal like fish like them, okay, small fish, and eating those fish, small fish for food, okay. And also, there are wild animals in the jungle seeking out and kill animal also for food, like lions and tigers, right? They are wild animals that normally they only eat meat of any kind, as long as it is meat. Okay? So, hunts for the word hunter. Okay, what do you call those who hunts? What do you call them? We call them hunter. Okay, so we call them hunter. But here in this picture, we have the hunter. Okay, it's human. He's human. Okay, it is a person or it can be an animal that hunts animals for food. Okay, this man here is a hunter. Okay, he's a person. So, he hunts animals maybe for food or some maybe for pleasure. Okay, so he's called a hunter. And there is a hunter also like in our topic, shark. The name of this shark, I think, is a great white shark. It was called, or it is called, a hunter of the sea, where it eats and hunts animals, sea animals for food. Oh, it can also attack a person, humans. Okay? So, and also, as I told you, there are animals also in the jungle or in the wild that hunts an animal too as their food, like tigers, lions. Those are the wild and dangerous animals that hunts their own kind animals for food. Okay, do you have any question here? Okay, so let's finish the remaining words. Okay, right here, if you're gonna look at it, you will find what's in the picture. Shark. It is a shark. Okay, we have here the shark. Okay, let's see the word here. One of the parts of the body of a fish. Okay, what do you call it? Gills. Gills. What do you mean by gills? Gills, is one of the parts of the body that fish use to breathe. Okay? So let me show you where are the gills. Okay. Here are the gills where this kind of fish breathes. Okay, this is called gills. Okay, you understand? So this kind of fish, what do you call this fish? It has hundreds of teeth. Huh? Yes, it is called a shark. Yes, it is a shark. Okay, you're done? Okay, so let's go to this word. The next word. Here. Okay, this part. Okay, it explains to you the word lungs. What do you mean by lungs? As you can see here in this picture, there is a human, okay, which explains the parts of the body inside, okay? What do you mean by lungs? Lungs are the primary organs of the respiratory system in humans and many other animals. Okay, so all of us, we have lungs, including the animals also. Because without these lungs, okay, we are not alive. Okay, even animals. When the lungs stops, okay, it's functioning, then life stops also. It is part of the body inside, like heart. Okay, if your lungs in here are totally damaged, if someone gets sick or whatsoever, okay, then life stops. Heart stops when lungs stops, because this part helps us to breathe. Okay, but once it is damaged, okay, this part, okay, once they are damaged, okay, then life stops. So this is the most important part of our body, inside the body. Okay? So we have to take care of our body, especially nowadays. So we have to keep ourselves safe. So we don't want our lungs to be damaged. So how to do that? Especially you children, you have to drink milk, drink vitamin, and of course, even you are a kid, of course, you children, you normally run, like, because running is also an exercise. So, but the main thing is that I need you also to take care. Just drink milk, drink a lot of fluids, eat vegetables, eggs, okay? To stay safe and be healthy. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so we have here what is in the picture. Oh, what is in the picture? Oh, it's not so clear, right? I'm sorry. Okay, so right at the picture, we have the word ocean. What do you mean by ocean? Of course, you know it, right? Ocean is a very big sea. Okay? It is a very big sea. Okay? The world is surrounded by oceans. So sea only is the part of the ocean. Okay, you understand? Okay, let's proceed to the last. Oh, it's not actually the last word. Two words. The last two words here. Okay, let me see. We have the word shore. What do you mean by shore? What do you mean by shore? Shore is actually the land along the edge of an ocean, sea, lake, or river. Okay, you see, this is the edge, okay? The edge of, oh, it can be an ocean, or the sea, or maybe lake or river. So this is called shore. Okay, are we done in here? Okay, next, the last picture, the last word. Here it explains to you what a snout is. This is also one of the parts of the fish. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, what do we mean by snout? Okay, what is a snout? Later I will show you where is it. Okay, a snout is the projecting nose, jaws, or interior facial part of an animal's head. Again, a snout is the projecting nose, jaws, or anterior facial part of an animal's head. Okay, so this one. This is the snout of an animal. Okay, did you get it? So, this you called it snout, snout, snout. Okay, that's it then. I think we have finished. Okay, we finished the spelling vocabulary words. Okay, that's it then. Thank you and goodbye. Stay safe. Bye.